Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to follow the bat in LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. So let's get started. You'll see the bat and just follow the bat, as you can see like this. You can jump right here and just collect those little coins and just run and follow the bat right here. Now what we need to do is just break these items and just build it, as you can see. So let's just build a little vehicle. Oh, it is lawnmower. Okay, now. Okay, so you need to drive backwards, or just a bug for me. And now what we'll need to do is just exit the lawnmower and just go it right here. We need to build something again. So just break these and just build a trampoline or whatever it's called from the tires. Now just, I guess, jump it on those and just again follow the bat. Now what we need to do is just use the shrunken. Okay. Now careful of the tree and jump on the tree. It will be like a bridge. Now just go and crouch it right here. Just follow the bat. And
the bat's leading us to the old well. We have to get down there.
You will see that you'll need to go down to the well. So, if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.